What's up, guys? Just bringing you guys a quick video for anyone of you that might have a Nissan Altima, preferably between, what is it, 2001 to like 2006. So I have a 2005 Altima. It's the daily beater. Altimas, they're great for, daily beaters. And I've been having this issue of when I would drive the car somewhere, if I drive it, whatever, it doesn't matter, to the store, and once I come outside, try to start it again after the engine's already been hot, then what would happen is the car wouldn't start right away. It would just crank. You just keep cranking, it would just crank, but it wouldn't start. And for a while, it's been boggling my mind, like, why isn't it start? I tried spark plugs, see if it was the spark plugs, I tried to see if it was maybe the coils, if it was, if it had anything to do with anything else. But then no, I mean, whatever I changed or whatever I did had no remedy until now. So what it ended up being is a fuel pump. So this is a fuel pump. I actually bought this off eBay. It's a fuel pump for the 2005's Nissan Altima. This was cheap. It was like $44 for that fuel pump. And I'm going to show you guys now how to change this fuel pump. But after seeing everything, changing everything, this has come down to be the culprit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this out. Then I'm going to, drive it, put a couple miles on it, and, do a couple hot starts to see if it starts right up. And, that'll definitely give me 100% and let me know if, all right, this was definitely my issue. But I'm just about 100% sure this was my issue. So let's change out the pump right now. All right, guys, so here we go. This is the Altima. Just get in the back seat. They're underneath the both the left and the right side of the seat. There is a tab. You just pull the tab. This seat will come out. I had already pulled it before and had this up. And you just come here and you could use a screwdriver, which I should get right now. Let me get a flathead screwdriver and just turn those. Pop up this cover and then just disconnect that plug right below. Cover's off. Now these are all Phillips or 8mm socket. I just happen to have 8mm, so I'm just gonna take them off real quick, just so I don't lose one. Put this camera down real quick. All right, guys, once you get all the screws out, the pump actually pops right up. Now, when you pull off this fuel line, just get like a glove or a plastic bag or something. That way you could place the glove in there. You don't get no fuel all over the floor in here. And then it's pretty straightforward. This pump comes right out. You just put the new one in. It's already assembled. And then you just plug it back in. So I'm going to just do that right now. Alright, guys, so the new pump, as you can see, new pump is in. As I said, it's a 1, 2, 3 replacement. Pick up, put the other one down, put the fuel line back on. And now I'm going to just plug it back in, start the car, and we should be off. Alright, guys, so just my engine light, engine code light, that's gone. And just going to take the car for a spin for a couple minutes down the road, probably like 10 minutes or so. Go for a little drive, come back, and then see if it starts right up, when it's hot. Right now you can see the needle is cold, so we're going to get it up to temperature in the center, and then come back, try to start it, see if we cured our issue. Alright, guys, so it's all heated up. Engine light is going as well too, so turn it off, and you know, let's see. Even though I already know it's good. Starts right up. Starts right up. No stuttering. We solved our problem. Alright guys, so there you have it. You know, if you guys do have a Nissan Altima, a Nissan Maxima, Murano, you know, any Nissan with the 3.5, I mean with the 3.0 or the 2.5 liter engines, if you are having issues where, you know, you start the car, you drive, and then when you come out when the car is hot, it's not starting right away, it's not starting back for you, that is because of your fuel pump. I changed the fuel pump. Actually, this is about a week later that I'm actually ending this video. I changed the fuel pump. I've been driving it all week, you know, just to test it out, you know, do a couple thorough tests to make sure that was my issue. And every single time the car has been starting, after it's been hot, been driving for an hour, it starts right up. So, you know, for 50 bucks, you guys pick yourself up, you know, an inexpensive fuel pump from eBay. You don't have to pick up the dealer one for $100 and change. That's unnecessary. But yeah, that's it, guys. I hope this solves a lot of you guys' problems. You know, please like this video, subscribe to my channel. There will be a lot more DIYs and, you know, just ways to save you guys money. Thank you.